All right, y'all. All right, y'all. We're live again. We're back. This time I'm pissed. Been having some issues all day. Guys, with this YouTube stuff. So, man. Make sure to like the stream, guys. Let's see if we can get some likes. Let's see if we can get some viewers. I don't know what happened, guys. My internet got cut off here. And, sheesh. You know what I'm saying, guys? You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Duper. Shout out to Tom, who says, "You suck, dude." Thank you, my friend. May God bless you. Shout out to Ice Cooley, who enjoys the thumbnail. Yeah, we're back, guys. We're back. Where do I put the chickens when it's cold? That's a good question. I keep them in their coop, guys. I keep them in their coop. So, you know, that's the thing about chickens, right? If you have the right breed, like, so I've northern breed chickens, they're used to the cold, then basically they will acclimate to the cold. You don't have to keep them anywhere special, right? That's how they did it back in the day. If you artificially heat your chicken coop, then if the power goes out, your chickens will die because they have not been acclimated. But God made chickens to acclimate to cold weather, especially if they're northern breeds. If you have a southern bred chicken, it might not do as well in the winter. But we are northern breed chicken type people around these parts, right? We enjoy our chickens up north. I'm a northern chickener. Let's pop onto the order flow chart and see what we got going on here, guys. So New York opened right around here, and this candlestick that we see right here. And we can also see that from that time, it's been almost 2 hours since New York's opened. We are now below VWAP here. Let's see what happens. Let's go down to a lower time frame and see what's actually happening here. We've got an increase of open interest. We did have some shorts, a few shorts come in underneath VWAP. Not too many, nothing really to write home about. Volume's actually kind of low here, but we do have a spike in volume as we get a move down below VWAP, a 4.2 million candle with negative 2.6 delta. So let's see what happens here. We might actually reclaim VWAP and get our little move to the upside. Here's kind of what I'm looking at right now, guys, super locally. So I did take along from here, and right now I'm kind of looking at this as our last kind of hope for potentially finding support here. If we're going to put on the Fibonacci Golden Pocket and the 786 zone, then I would be looking potentially, if we're going to get more upside here, for a retest from right here. Now, this is highly speculative right now, guys, and given the bearishness of the S&P 500 having rejected from its level, I would want to see the S&P 500 also getting a move up here as the Bitcoin comes down into this zone to potentially retest. Now, remember, again, last night, the reason why I got into the long in the first place, if you were here for the stream I did last night, is because we saw that we put in a bottom here, and then we saw that we were getting bullish BitBoy butt cheeks on the 12-minute market Cypher B, so we were looking for a retest there. It's literally the same concept right now. We are looking for a retest from this zone right here. And what I would want to see is I would want to see some kind of bullish divergences on the lower term time frames, or some kind of absorption or something happening here. And I'll be honest with you guys, right now this is not necessarily looking too bullish on the 1 minute time frame, but if we do get a super quick move down into this zone here, something like this, and we start to see that bounce right away, it could still offer us a nice potential scalp trade if this is something that we would be looking to scalp, right? Coming back down to these lows here, assuming that we're going to be trading a range on a very low time frame, that is an area to look for a scalp. Now, here's the thing, right? I was getting a little hate last night about scalping on lower time frames. When I was looking for a long down here, people are like, Jason, what the heck is your problem? Why the heck are you looking for a long down here? Isn't it so bearish? Well, it all depends on the context of the market and what we're looking at, right? If we're looking at this right here as a potential range, right? And we're looking to take a long at the low and a short at the high, and that's our trading strategy, right? Let's say that we are just trading very small time frames and we're scalpers, and we only take trade setups where we are looking just to long the low back to the high. This right here is giving us a 6-to-1 risk-reward ratio. All right, let's be even more conservative. It's giving us a 5-to-1 risk-reward ratio just to come back up to these highs, support, resistance, flip. This means there's the potential for me to make 5 times more reward than I am risking. And if I'm risking 1%, 0.5% of my account, that means I'm risking 0.5% of my account to potentially earn 2.5% on my whole account. That means I could take 4 trades in a row that are losses, and on that 5th one, if it's a win, I'm net in profit by 0.5% on my whole account. Okay? Even if I'm just trading small time frames like this. So it's all about the context of the market. It's all about what kind of trader you are, what your strategy is. Are you a swing trader? Are you a scalper? Are you a day trader? All these things need to come into play here, right? And so last night, I did take the scalp from here, from the low to the high, and now that we're coming back down to retest, this is also an area where we would look to then find support on a low time frame, right? And it's not about winning every trade, it's about using good risk management, sticking to a strategy, because like I said, we could take 4 losses in a row if we're looking for similar trade setups like this, with a potential of a 0.3% loss to a 1.5% gain. This is a very good risk-reward setup, right? Now, for more information about how I trade this way, check out the course. There's a 25% discount in the description, learn.jasoncaspertrading.com. But this will give you my complete scalping tutorial and my complete swing trading tutorial so that you can kind of get an understanding of what I'm looking for here on these charts, because like, it really all depends on the context of the markets, guys. So, not every trade is equal. I'm still obviously holding my shorts. And let's zoom in a little bit here to kind of see what's happening. So yeah, this is the 1 minute time frame. Let me put on the price line. It honestly helps me a lot. There we go. Right now, guys, I don't really see any kind of bullish divergences here. Let's go to coinanalyze.net and take a look, see if we have any absorption going on here. Basically, what we're looking for is we're looking for whales to try and entice traders to go short down here. Meanwhile, building their own long positions, right? We want to look for whales building longs. We want to see what we would really want to see here as we're coming down into this zone is, we want to take a look and see, are we going to find more shorts opening up here than we had here as we come down into this zone, right? Let's see what we see here. Do we see that? We want to see this CBD line come lower than here. Whoops, I'm sorry. We actually want to see it come lower than here. So it looks like we may not get that, right? We may not get that here right now for absorption. That's what we would be looking for. We want to see shorts opening up. Right now we are in the zone. And actually, let's go to our 6 minute. Yeah, this right now, right now we don't really have bullish confirmations here. So this is the kind of trade that I would not take, because remember, last night the context was we had bullish divergences right here, right? Last night, the context was bullish divergences. But right here, we actually see the opposite of bullish divergences. And when we take a look at an order flow chart, Coinlise, we want to see this CVD line actually getting lower than it was here in order to get confirmed absorption. It's a little bit difficult to say based on just what's happening right now. We don't have the clearest confirmations in the world. So this is the kind of thing for me where I personally would sit out, right? Even if we do get a bounce from the zone because it is support, even if we do get a bounce from here as it is support, this is a situation where I personally would decide not to take a trade here, because that's what's another good thing about trading is we get to decide what trades we take and what trades we don't take, right? We can decide when we are putting our money at risk only when things are lining up exactly as we would want to see them line up. So I am curious to see what happens here. I'm very curious. But I'll be honest, I don't see the most bullish things in the world here. Guys, make sure to like the video. I had some streaming issues going on here. I had some streaming issues. I had to cut my stream early because YouTube didn't like that I was talking about I don't know what. And shout out to Legends Have It. Shout out to Crypto Carnage. Shout out to Tom. Tom, you're the hater, right? Tom is the hater in here. Shout out to Tom the hater. Why am I pissed? I'm pissed, man, because my stream got cut off, Scotty Don't Pee. My stream got totally cut off. Yeah, I'm going to piss here. I'm going to piss live. You guys know I've done it before on stream, too. You guys know I have taken a pee live on stream. Red dot in the hourly just popped up. Let's check out the red dot on the hourly. Yeah, look at that, guys. Look at that. So, you know, if we lose this 786 zone right here, then the next area that I would be looking down towards is going to be this low here for potential CDW. And then after that, I would be looking down to this low. Like I was saying, like this is the last kind of hope zone for finding support here before I think we see much lower prices. This is the last hope zone before lower prices. So let's come back over to Coinlise. Let's check out the 5-minute now. Yeah, so we do see an increase of open interest right here. Shorts are opening up. We see shorts opening up here. Let's check out our order flow chart again. Wow. We see the shorts opening, guys. And not only that, actually, we actually see some trapped longs here. We see in this candlestick right here, we had some longs opening up. And they're still open, actually. Some of those longs are still open, and they are trapped. And then we have here shorts that opened up in this candle underneath VWAP. We still have some shorts opening up now. So it looks kind of like a battle going on right here between shorts and longs. We know we're at support, so this is definitely not a place where I would short. This is only a place where I would contemplate entering a long. Personally, I don't see confirmations for me to enter a long here, so this is kind of like where we say, you know, I'm not willing to risk my capital in taking a long from here. This is not a good level to take a trade without confirmations. And honestly, if we lose the 786, I will be looking down toward this box. So we're coming down to the 786 right now. Let's see if we get a little bounce from it. Wouldn't surprise me, actually, if we get a bounce from the 786 to the dollar. That happens often, where we will get a bounce to the dollar from 786. Let's see if we get it. We just gapped down on the 1-minute chart. Can you believe a gap down on the 1-minute chart? How's the S&P 500? Doji candle, but blood diamond on the Uno hour. Sheesh. Sheesh. Whoa. Whoa. What is going on? Got some crazy stuff going on here. Whoa! Shout out to Fib Daddy Kane. Shout out to Royal Fresh. Moon Lambo. Let's keep it PG in here, all right? Can we check Litecoin? You know, Litecoin is actually acting kind of dang bullish. Our shorts finally getting trapped. Let's take a look. Let's check a look. Black Swan event incoming. I agree, Kevin NA. I actually agree that there's probably going to be some kind of... There's going to be more Black Swan events happening. You know, every time I talk about what I want to talk about right now, my stream gets shut off. It's been happening. It happened to me 3 times today. So I'm not going to talk about it, okay? But, oh, I'm on Bitstamp. That's why I'm not on Bybit. Okay. Thanks. Okay, so we're not... Ah! All right, so look at that. We're getting that 786 bounceroni, but, you know, how are things looking here? Slight uneven cheek on the 1 minute, but money flow's coming down. Honestly, things don't look too bullish here. They don't really look too bullish, I'll be honest. Okay? Looking kind of beary. And, you know, we don't even really see... we don't see absorption here, but we do see a big decrease in open interest, so we might get a little move to the upside here. Oh, we got some BitBoy butt cheeks on the 1 minute. Okay. Now, I am definitely not long in here, guys. It's not me. Not me. Not long in here. I am not. Okay, I'm short, baby, but I'm short from higher. Not entering a short here. This is a no trade zone for your boy, Jason Casper. Now that he's pissed, right? I'm so pissed. There's no way I'm going to give my profits back to the evil people who are forcing me to push the buy and sell button on Bybit, holding my finger, forcing me to push buy and sell, getting me wrecked. Everyone's fault but my own. All right, we're going to see if we can hold the support here. We have a big BitBoy green dot on the 3 minute, the 6 minute time frame, looking like we could find support here. I'll be honest with you guys. This is looking like we could find support here. Momentum waves are coming up. Money flow coming up a little bit here, right? It's looking like we could find support. How's SPX doing? SPX has closed and confirmed the blood diamond right now. It's not looking too bullish, I'll be honest with you guys. It looks pretty bearish. Let's go down to our 12 minute. Looks pretty bearish. Let's go to our 2 hour. SPX looking pretty dang bearish. Confirmed blood diamond on the 2 hour. After rejecting from key support, blood diamond printing on the 3 hour. S&P 500. Bitcoin losing now. 786. 3 of my favorite numbers in Espanol. So I think there's a good chance we come down lower, guys. You know, it was a good scalp last night. Those BitBoy butt cheeks don't lie, baby. It was a good scalp last night. But looks like we might come down a tad lower here. So let's see what's going on now. We still... Oh, wow. So we've got now... Oof, shorts like crazy opening up here. We got the shorts coming in. Increase of open interest. Longs getting absolutely wrecked right now. Let's see. Wow. Are we going to get some follow through here? Are we going to get some follow through? Sheesh. Macaroni and cheese. Let's see what's going to happen. All right. Macaroni and cheese, man. Wow. So this is crazy. Like, we have shorts opening up, but so many longs just got wrecked here. Of course they did, because everyone had their stop losses down around here, including my own. So I just got stopped out of the long after hitting TP, so winning trade. But hey, I didn't know if we were going to come up higher. So now I am currently only positioned short here. Well, on my my scalping / day trading Bybit account. And if we bounce from here, we bounce from here. You know what? That's fine. But I am expecting lower, I'll be honest with you guys. I'm expecting lower here. I don't see what I would want to see to enter a trade here. I don't see what I would want to see. Yeah, I don't see what I would want to see. Yeah, I mean, we might. You could make a case that there's some bullish CVD here. You actually could. You could. But yeah, you could actually. You could say that we're at support and that we're about to get a 6-minute dot here. So, and you could say, you know what? Yeah, like anyone who's scalping this, I get you. But for me, it's not something I'm personally interested in. I'll be honest with you, I'm not personally interested. I'm not personally interested. Let's zoom into a very low time frame now. Sato's long? Okay. Hey, you know what? At least he's not long in the top, right? Yeah, I feel you, Legends have it. If we do change market structure on a local time frame, we can look for a retest, right? We can look for a retest if we change market structure on a local time frame. So, basically, for me, if we can come above this, we can look for a golden pocket, potentially, right? We could look for something like this. This is a great way to get in if we're going to change market structure. And if not, then we can sit out as a market. But really, and this is the way we did it last night as well. Well, last night was different because of the bullish divergences that we had on those high time frames. Right now, we don't have that. So the only way I would contemplate scalp longing this here, because we are at support, is waiting for some kind of retest. And preferably, we would want to see a change of market structure first. So we would want to see the 1 minute come up into this zone, put in a local higher high, and then come down into this area. That would be the safest setup. A much riskier setup would be this. But it's still not necessarily risky if your strategy is to trade this kind of stuff like this. That's a very tight stop, 0.3% stop, and then you would target the highs like that, 1.5% move-ish, something like that. This could be a setup to present itself. Let's check back out our good old coinanalyze.net here. See what we got going on. We're going to be watching and waiting. That's right, you can sit out those markets and eat the bugs and be happy. Crap, can I even say that right now? Every time I say something, my video gets blocked. Did you see the mega wick on USDT? I did. Do we have pig nips on the 1 minute? Let's see. Do we have pig nips on the 1 minute, guys? Pig nipple divergences on the 1 minute. Let's check it out. Yes, we do. We have some pig nip divs on the 1 minute. And the way pig nipple divergences work, guys, is you can see that the pig has the nipples on the bottom and they keep getting higher and higher and higher. Nipplelicious. And eventually what happens is the price comes through this area here and out the top. Right? That's when they talk about bringing home the bacon. Of course, this here is kosher turkey bacon. We're trying to keep it kosher on this channel, guys. Okay? Yeah, we definitely got some PNDs. Some PNDs up on the chart. Some pig nip divs. Pretty crazy, man. Jason, what are you doing, man? What are you smoking these days, man? 1 minute looks like upside down. 1 minute does not look like upside down SBD nips. It does not. I don't see a upside down SBD nips or a right side up either. All right, let's see what's happening now. We do have, guys, a substantial amount of shorts currently under the water. Currently under the water, to be honest with you. Shout out to whoever disliked the video. May God bless you in Jesus' name. I hope you find the content you're looking for. I did long last night, CryptoFace. Shout out to CryptoFace, by the way. I longed after the stream, man, and I'm out of it now. But now I'm back to looking at longs, man. You know, I'm a perma bull, bro. I'm trying to find another one. So I ended up longing here. Those 24-minute BitBoy butt cheeks don't lie. Those 24-minute BitBoy butt cheeks did not lie last night. Right here, we did come down for the retest, and as we printed that candle, we got the juicy, the BitBoy. Well, I'm sorry, don't mean to say BitBoy and show this guy's face here, but we did get the SBF nips, 2 big green dots, snake eyes, and we got some follow through. We did get some follow through, but now I find myself waiting to try and hop in again. Trying to hop in again here. Trying to hop in again. Waiting for the retest. Right? Waiting for the retest. Potentially. This is a much, much riskier potential long than the one from last night, guys. Because we don't have our confirmations here. Right? We definitely don't have them on the bigger time frames. So what we do have is a range. Right? We have a range with a very clearly defined low of the range down here at around 15,890-ish. We've just officially flipped. We have a change in market structure on the 1 minute time frame. All right. So this is our range here. So this is our setup that we're looking at right here, just to trade the range, right? To scalp the range. Is this setup we're looking at right now? We're looking to come back down now for the retest into the 6 Juanita. Right? Good old 6 Juanita, the girl who broke my heart. Here's a picture of her. Always rejecting me. Right? 6 Juanita. Always rejecting me because I was in the friend zone, helping her with her algebra homework. I thought she liked me. No. She didn't like me. She was in love with this douchebag jock. But here's the thing about 6 Juanita, guys. She, although will never date you, she will be there to give you support. To offer support when you're coming back crying about how you got your heart broken. She'll be there to offer you support. Okay? Well, let's see if we can. Let's see if 620. Let's see if we can get this, guys. I'll be honest with you. I hope we get a retest, because now as I'm watching this develop here, I'm liking what I see on the 12 minute. So let's see if we can get. It's like fishing, guys. Trading's like fishing, right? Got your bait on the line. Got your line on the bait. And yeah. The old after the stream. Yeah, it's true. It's true though. I know. The old after the stream technique, right? Just making it up, guys, for YouTube views. But hey, that's how it works. The volatility never comes on stream. I'm waiting here. Hang on 1 second, y'all. Hey, shout out to Big Butts 28. Mrs. Casper up in here. Coming down to check on me. Well, dang. You know, let's see if we can get that retest. You know? I'm liking what I'm seeing here. I'm liking it a little bit. Let's check out coinalize.nieto. We're getting a move up here, guys. Wow, powerful. Well, sheesh, man. That's a powerful move up. How's good old S&P 500? It's not as powerful, but I'm on the 3 hour. Let's go to the more powerful 5 minute time frame. Okay. Yeah, you know, what a way to miss out on all the juicy gains here, huh? Sheesh. Man. Well, this is the real move, guys. This is a real move. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it on a retest, but this is definitely a real deal move here. It's 11:30 a.m., 2 hours after New York Open. We come down to the low of the range. We only have 1 minute pig nipple divs, guys, but, you know, the context, you know, last night we got the big BitBoy butt cheeks in the 12, and this is definitely a trigger wave, so I think we come up from here. I'll be honest with you guys. I think we come up from here. So it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Yeah. No. Big Butts 28 knows who 618 is. She knows who 618 is. Guys, make sure to give the stream a like. Alright, make sure to give the stream a like, guys. YouTube hates me these days. They absolutely hate me. They're cutting my streams off. I'm getting a little bit too rambunctious for the system, guys. A little bit too rambunctious. Okay, so now let's see if we can get in on a retest here. We've officially changed market structure. right? We're literally, this is what we've come down to, guys. Scalping a 1 minute range, right? This is what happens during bear markets. Scalping 1 minute ranges here. Wow. Okay, so we're above the point of control. There's a good chance we come up to the high. You know, this probably... I'll be honest with you guys. This is actually pretty dang bullish looking right now. In the context of scalping and in the context of FTX and everything, right? In the context, this is looking like a good opportunity to try and sniff out a long here. We have, again, wow, 24-minute 24-minute bullish divs. This is looking good, man. Dang it. You know, this is good. This is good. Shout out to whoever disliked the video. I do pray that the Lord blesses you in many ways. May you find the content that you're looking for on another channel. Market Cipher A has a yellow X. Let's check it. See if we can get a little pullback here. Yo, yeah, Draco TV. I've still got my shorts open, man. I'm not closing those. Guys, make sure to like the stream. We got 600 people in here, only 200 likes. Sheesh, man. You know what that does to a man's self-esteem? I'll tell you what it does. It's not very healthy for it. You know? It's almost worse than that time that 6 Juanita broke my heart. You know what I'm saying? The algos hate me, guys. Make sure to like the video. In fact, let's see how many people we got watching. 500. See if we can get 500 likes. Shout out to Robert Bonar, the #1 Market Cipher Discord moderator / every other crypto YouTuber moderator. Alright, cool. We're getting a little pullback-a-roni. I'm liking it, guys. I'm liking it. I'm liking the pullback right now. Look at that 24-minute bullish divergence printing. Money flow coming up and everything here. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a pullback. See if we can get some peanut butter up in here. Some peanut butter pullbacks. Let's get a peanut butter pullback up in here. Let's Google search peanut butter. See, how's this red dot looking here? See if we can. Oh wow, coming up to the WAP, even to the VWAP. You know, Coinalize.net never changes the fibs. By the way, if you want to learn how to pull your fib out in public, you can check out the course at jasoncaspertrading.com. There's a 25% Black Friday special if you use the coupon code CBF. Not CBF. SBF. It stands for Super Black Friday Sale. Don't miss out, guys. It's only good until the 26th of November. And I don't want to hear anybody coming to me on the 27th of November asking to extend the coupon, right? We got plenty of time for it, guys. All right, so let's see if we can come back into our zone here. We're looking for a pullback. We are looking for a pullback, right? That's what we're looking at here. See if we can get the pullback down into that zone here. See if we can get it, guys. Let's see. Maybe not. I do have to say, 24-minute looks bullish. 24-minute looking kind of bull. 12-minute right now. Not the bull div on the 12-minute, but definitely a trigger wave money flow coming up here. Let's see if we can get that pullback. It would be nice. It would be nice to get a pullback down to this zone and then trade it back up. That would be nice. A nice scalp day trade. All right, on the sniff. Even the S&P 500 just confirmed that blood diamond there, but these blood diamonds, guys, they're typically kind of bearish here. You know, you got to be careful longing on the blood diamonds. But you know, shout out to Crypto Yacht. He's got all right, let's keep it PG, Crypto Yacht. So how do you get time frames like the 12-minute on TradingView? You come over here to the time frame thing, right? Drop it down, and at the bottom you give yourself a custom one, right? We could do the 13-minute time frame. Add that to the chart. Let's put on the 13-minute here. Interesting, you know, I've never really used the 13-minute before. This is a very strange time frame, guys. The 13-minute here. A very strange one, guys. Very strange. That's weird, right? The 13-minute time frame? Wow. CB, shout out to CB, turning 72 years old today. Wow. May God bless you. I hope I make it to 32. You know, yesterday, guys, I have a story to tell you. Story time with Jason Casper, you know, and I'm not going to tell the story about Six Juanita. I'm not going to talk about the time I met 50 Cent, right? I'm not even going to talk about that time that I saw these pig nipple divergences and got into a long on the 1-minute time frame. I'm not even going to talk about my friend's man boobs, okay? But yesterday morning, guys, I woke up early to work out, do some deadlifts, okay? I twinged my back. I was immediately praying, asking the Lord to forgive me, repenting from my wicked ways because, you know, I was deadlifting heavy without a belt. And I shouldn't do that. I know I shouldn't do that because I do have back issues, guys. I wasn't thinking. I was just adding the weights on, doing just singles, right? Did a single, 515 pounds. Felt something awful in my lower back. Awful! And you know, any of you guys who are weightlifters at all, you know that when you're in the gym and you twinge something, it doesn't hurt until after, right? You know you hurt it, but it's like, this is going to hurt tomorrow, right? So I was praying, Lord, please have mercy on me. I promise I'll never deadlift 500 pounds without a belt again. In fact, I probably shouldn't deadlift ever again. Chiropractor says not to, but I love deadlifting. So I was thinking to myself, like, I'm a young guy, early 30s. Hope I can make it to 40s and still walk. Right? I'm gonna have to take a break from the deadlifting heavy, man. But thank God, I spent some time yesterday, like doing some stretching, just getting blood flow in the area, doing band good mornings, and doing some body weight deep squatting, just to like work out the lower back and the hamstrings and the glutes. And I can honestly say, thank God, I feel really good today. So, yeah, it's crazy, man. Crazy stuff. Shout out to Tom Crown in the chat, man. Everybody, I am going live on Tom Crown. Make sure to check out Tom Crown's channel if you haven't. The fastest growing crypto YouTuber on YouTube right now. Putting out the fire content in the grind. Giving you guys that spicy technical analysis. Make sure to go subscribe to his channel if you haven't already. The bottom is in. Guido Trox says I'm all in. Tom Crown uses a belt but no back issues. Yeah, I don't know why I was going beltless, Tom Crown. You know, I think it's because I was trying to, I don't know, work the abs. Yeah, Chris, I do need to do Romania deadlifts. Okay, so the reason why I was doing that, guys, is because I love deadlifting. Like, I just love deadlifting. I love squatting and I love deadlifting. I know what you're thinking. I know what you guys are thinking. I know what you're thinking. Thinking, Jason, come on, man. You're lying. There's no way you love squatting and deadlifting. Look at those little skinny toothpick legs. Well, let me tell you guys, you know. Just because the legs are skinny doesn't mean they're strong. Doesn't mean they're not strong, alright? Yeah, Tom Crown loves deadlifting also. Shout out to Jab Straight Spam. Yeah, that's right. What are legs? What are legs? I don't know. That's true. Exactly. I love deadlifting. That's the thing. Like, there's just something about picking up a heavy weight off the floor and putting it back down. That's like one of the things that God created man to do, right? Pick up heavy things and put them back down. You know? So, all right, guys, let's check out. Let's get a little corn update. So we're getting a little bounce from that point of control. Trigger wave on the 1 minute. This is a good little thing here. Wow. All right. We're back, baby. We're back. No need for it. No need to say now I'm really pissed. We're back, Robert Ortiz. We're back in action, baby. We're back in action. We are back in action. All right, we're back in action, guys. Look at these longs coming in. So let's go to a lower time frame. Let's put on good old Market Cipher SR. Yeah, be careful, right? We're coming up to VWAP here. So, just be careful on that VWAP. We've got the old WAP. We've got the old VWAP. So, let's see now. If we can get this fish to bite. Can we get the fish to bite? Maybe. So. Yeah. Let's see if we can get the fish to bite. We're going to go to the 1 minute time frame here. Turn on our VWAP. Yeah, we might get the fish to bite, man. Let's see what happens when we come down here. Let's see. Let's see if we get a little bounce-a-roni. E-queso. Right? Just to practice a little of my Espanol up in here. So, Tom Crown, your foot placement is about 45 degrees outward on both for squats and deads. The stream last night, Crypto Face was in the chat, but he was not on stream. The last time I was on CryptoFace's stream was a while ago. I think 2 weeks ago. CryptoFace, you know, he keeps me bearish. He keeps me grounded. Keeps me grounded on the higher term time frame realities. You know, I always tell my wife, Big Butts 28, you know, I try not to talk about CryptoFace around Big Butts 28 because she has a crush on him, right? It makes me jealous. But, what was I going to say? I was going to say, he's always right. He's always right, his long-term analysis. He called the top in April 2021. And, he was spot on with that. Called the bottom of oil. Was spot on with that too. He was not on my stream yesterday, Ahmad. He was in the chat. He was in the chat, so there's some interactions. Martyr has a crush on Sam's girl. Well, she does have a high risk tolerance, we could put it that way. It's cold, guys. This ain't no tank top season. This is cold winter. Alright, how's the corn doing? Well, yeah, you know, we got that little move up here. We got the 24-minute bullish divergence here. Bouncing off point of control. I mean, this is honestly a bad risk-reward unless you got your stop-loss under point of control, but that's risky. That's risky. I would want to wait for a pullback. And TP1 would be the WAP. Let's see if we can get little something going on up in here. We get a little something going on. Yeah, maybe SBF is the real Dolores, guys. It is freezing. Is it freezing where you live, Tom? I know we live super far away from each other. So, what indicators am I using? I'm using Market Cipher, MarketCipherTrading.com. If you want to use my affiliate link, you can if you want. Not trying to be a shill. Also, this is Coinlines.net, a free tool. And this actually is starting to look bearish as heck, man. I'm not going to lie to you guys. This looks like absorption. I also use Exo charts. And that's about all I use to trade, I'll be honest with you. That's it. That's it. Market Cipher comes with Market Cipher A, Market Cipher SR, and Market Cipher B, the bread and butter of the BitBoy butt cheeks, and the SBF boobies. That's where it's at, man. That's where it's at. Shout out to whoever thumbs down the video. I pray that the Lord blesses you and your family and your aunts and your uncles. Do I use TACbots? I don't use TACbots, but I'm in a relationship with them to some degree. I'm in a relationship with TACbots. Yeah, we got snow, Crypto Grizzly. We got snow, man. We do have snow for sure. And it's my least favorite time of year, guys, because as some of you may or may not know, I am Cuban, right? I'm Cuban, right? And so I'm not used to this kind of weather. My ancestors, well, they're used to the heat. You know what I'm saying? They're used to the heat and the humidity. What do I check on Coinalize? What clues does Coinalize give? Well, Coinalize, guys, Coinalize. Why are we pissed, Manuel? Because my stream got cut off, man. My stream got cut. Coinalize will tell you who's longing and who's shorting, right? Who's long and who's short, and how many of each. And so it will allow you to see absorption of longs and shorts. So let's say that we do come down to our zone, right? We're looking for a retest of this area-ish. Maybe a little bit lower. What I would want to see in that zone is I would want to see more trades opening. And I would want to see more short trades opening, actually. I would want to see something like this. I would want to see more short trades opening up as we put in a higher low. But right now what I actually do see is I see the opposite of what I want to see. I see more longs opening, which could be good. Like, that could honestly give us a big move to the upside. That could actually just be leading because of all this this indecision down here. But that is one of the clues that Coinalize can give you. This is the 1 minute chart. Let's check out our 12-minute. We're getting a red dot on the 12, guys. So let's see. We're looking for. Let's see. How are we holding that POC? Yeah, we're holding the POC. We're holding it. We're holding it. Yeah, this. Yeah. I mean, I have to be honest, and I could be way off here, but I'm expecting more upside. Expecting to come back up to the 16.2 area, 16K 200. That's where I'm looking. That's where I'm sniffing out. Nope, I have not changed the money flow settings on Market Cipher B, guys. All I've done is I come in here, click the gear button, and this is very important. If you want to win all your trades 100% win rate, come over to money flow and make it blue, but it can't just be any blue. Oh yeah, it has to be this blue. This one right here, and then purple has to be this purple right here. And that's 100% win rate guaranteed, not financial advice. But red and green, guys, it just doesn't do it. It does not do it. All right, let's be honest. Blue and purple is so comforting to the soul, right? It's comforting to the soul, blue and purple. Why? Can we answer the question why? Because imagine if you were in a long trade underwater. Red is scientifically proven beyond a shadow of a doubt to be abrasive on the central nervous system. Blue and purple are calming to the CNS, right? The last thing you want is to have no money and stress in your life. You want to be chill and calm as you're losing all your money, relaxed. You know, ooh, what a great calming experience it is to go broke. Daily has a yellow X. Yep, Daily has a yellow X, guys. We were looking at this last night in the stream. You guys should have been here, man. We gave a trade setup and everything, played out juicily, but you know, we got this, and check this out also. 2 week. Yellow X. The Uno hour here. How's the Uno? Uno hour even potentially bull divs here, you know? I'll be honest, we're holding this point of control as well. Nice. Nice. What does XO have over Coinalyze? I mean, it just has more options to look at, more things to look at, right? Am I looking to hold POC? I mean, yeah, I mean, what am I looking? You know, I'm not here to give financial advice, guys. But I would be here to tell you that if you're long from here, it's riskier because technically the only safe and effective stop loss is down below the low, and then we're looking at, you know, unless you put your stop loss under this last low here, which is then a valid, and if we're shooting up for VAH, it's like a 1.5 to, you know, that's not bad, or 2 to 1. That's honestly not necessarily a bad one here. That's not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad. It's not bad. But yeah, if we hold the point of control, that's bullish, right? Come to the low, above, retest, hold point of control. Yeah, but when we're talking about small ranges like this one here, you know, it all depends on your risk management. Basically, I mean, if you're risking 1% of your account and you think we're going to come up from here, then, you know, this 24-minute bull div here is absolutely a valid reason, I would say, to get into a long. But of course, depending on how you set it up, you might set it up like this. This is a 1-to-1, not a very good trade setup. If we're doing this, this is now a 3.5-to-1. This is a valid setup here. It is valid. And again, guys, we're going based off risk management and like risk reward, and it's like, you know, if you're in this game, right, it's all about probabilities and risk management. Sticking to a strategy, right? Are there more elevating or deprecating factors? To be honest with you, when we're in the middle of a range like this, this is not really the area that I would personally want to get in. If we get another move back down to POC, maybe you could say, all right, I'm going to go for it. But objectively speaking, we're in no man's land. What videos would I recommend to better understand open interest CBD? I mean, I have stuff on my channel. Toros Crypto has stuff on his channel. There's 25% discount on the course. We have a whole course on it if you feel like 25% discount. But yeah, Toros Crypto, definitely a good one. Check out Luke from Toros Crypto. Igloo pattern on the 24-minute. Yeah, for sure. Guys, make sure to like the video. If we get 750 likes, we'll be giving away 500 USDT. You guys know your boy Jason Casper, man, coming in with the giveaways. This is crazy that my stream has gotten literally cut off 4 times today. Twice during the VIP, twice during this public stream. What was that wick on buyback on the 4 hour? Do I think it's going to get filled? Well, here's the thing. Yeah, actually, You're talking about the USDT chart, I think, right? On the USDT chart, we had this very long wick, and this was, I mean, I kid you not, guys, last night's live stream, man, was juicy as heck, because we identified the long from down here, and I said the area that I would want to short would be this zone right here, because this was going to be a back test of the POC/GP/786 area. That's why you got to subscribe to the Jason Casper channel and sit through 3 hours of me making stupid jokes to get the 1 second of good TA. Right? But this wick, do I think we're going to recover? Well, actually, I'm curious to see something. What my answer depends on what I'm about to see here. Look at that. Wow, okay, so we did fill that CME gap. Okay, never mind. I thought maybe I don't know if we're going to recover that wick now. I think this wick was just a liquidity grab. We closed the CME gap. We came into the point of control. This is actually bearish when we're looking at the macro range here, right? We've rejected from point of control of the macro range, right? So we're looking at our little 1 minute scalp, right? But we have to be honest with ourselves and say that our 1 minute scalp does have potential to make its way all the way up to 17.2. It does. It does have that potential. We are down at the low of this large range here, but we also have to be honest with ourselves and understand that the juicier levels are down here. The juicier levels are down here, and on the higher term time frames, we have rejected the retest. These lows have officially now become resistance, right? So we just have to be aware of those types of things. Let's come back down to our lower term time frame. Zoom in, turn off our CME gap, holding the POC, things looking kind of bouncy. Let's check out this decrease of open interest slightly. Does POC get broken more often? It doesn't really. So here's the thing about the POC. It's like a VWAP. It's like a fair price. It's like you're buying, if you're trading at the point of control, you're trading at fair value, right? Which means it's just not the best risk reward, right? If we're looking to buy low and sell high, it's not the best. So shout out to Aaron G. Peace, bro. God bless you. Peace, bro. God bless you. How do you find the CME gap? There is an indicator that you could search for called CME gap. CME gap Bitcoin. It will tell you where the CME gap is, right? So we closed up here on Friday. We closed at 16,520, and then we opened up. We filled the gap. Now we're back down. 1 hour bullish divergence, guys. 1 hour bull div, 24-minute bull div. Money flow getting higher also. 12-minute trigger wave, big bit boy green dot continuation. Let's see if we can get a move up. You know, let's see if we can. Let's see if we can get a little pullback. What's the next POC below? I don't know. Yeah, I'm cold, Rex Proof. I'm cold as heck, man. You know, I live in the basement. You know, it's cold. It's cold down here, guys. So if you're not in a position, where would I look if I was not in a position right now? Here's what I would be looking. I mean, if we're talking low time frame, scalperoni and cheese. Ugh, excuse me. I would personally look to get into a long at this pullback right here. Coming down to take this position. TP1 would be up here at 16,100. TP2 would be up here 16.5. And TP3, I would hold to the top of this range, honestly. I would hold some, potentially get a 13 to 15% move. That would be the long that I would look for at this moment. If we don't get the bounce from that area, then I would look to my lower levels of support. As for shorts, at this moment, I would look for a retest of the golden pocket. So potentially coming back into this zone, this would be short area number 1 for me. That's where I would look to get into a short, because support, sport. Come up, flip into a resistance, right? That is the place that I would look for shorting. And then if we come above that, then I would be looking for my higher levels. And juiciest of all, guys, when we're trading ranges, right, I'm just looking to buy low and sell high. So we're looking at lower time frames to get into scalps, but really this is the juicy short, this is the juicy long. Only if we get our confirmations, of course, on Market Cipher B, and only if we're using good risk management. Are we getting our pullback? We're getting a little pullback. Back down to the POC. Back down to the POC. Let's check out our 1 minute. Yeah, so back down to the POC again. We're putting in this micro range, POC acting as support. Multiple candles acting as support. How's our 3 minute? 3 minute money flow coming down a little bit low here. That's right. How can anyone dislike videos with all this risk management? Make sure to FOMO into the like button. Sorry, Manuel. I don't mean to scare anybody. Why the parka? Am I outside? No, I'm inside, guys. I'm inside. I'm in the basement. All right, I'm in the basement. Let's see what we can see here. Let's see. Let's take a look. I'm just chilling in the office, guys. Just chilling in a modern house. In the kitchen, you know? Just chilling in a tunnel. You know what I'm saying? Whoa, trippy. Dancing to this lo-fi music. Raising the roof up in here. Now, is that cool or what, guys? See, I need more lights in here because the shadows show up on the green screen. But yeah, I'm down in the basement, guys, so I don't have heat down here. And it's cold out, you know? You just tapped your 618? Virtual shorting ETH. I don't really have any ETH ready to go right now, to be honest with you. We could take a look at. Hang on. Hang on 1 second. Hello?
Press 1 now to verify your business with Google. If your Google account has not verified properly, customers searching for your services on Google will not find your listing.
Oh, dang.
Press 1 now to verify your Google listing.
Oof, wow.
Press 9 to opt out.
Wow. Thank you for the call, my friend. Man, I hate telemarketers, guys. Can't stand them. You know? Not that there's anything wrong if you are a telemarketer. Yeah, margin calling. Shout out to Ryan who says that's impossible. It can't be cold there because it's warm where you live. Well, yeah, I agree, man. That's also how I live my life as well. So, can't be warm where you are. Exactly. It's crypto winter. It's crypto winter. All right, so Femex hit the 6 Juanita. Let's see if good old fashioned USDT just slightly front ran her, huh? Just slight front run of the 6 Juanita there. Can you imagine front running 6 Juanita? Wow. Shout out to Aaron G, man. God bless you, bro. Have a good day. Yeah, let's take a little look at Ethereum here. So I guess we hit... Oh, shout out to Ramen TV 2v2, bringing some secret knowledge from Daniel from Chart Champions. He's looking for 15,300 to TP1 on a short. So, what does that tell me? It tells me, should I really be looking for a long if Daniel from Chart Champions is trying to TP1 all the way down here? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, that makes sense. He's looking to TP on the CDW. He's looking to take profit right here. He's taking a profit in case the chickens get thirsty down here. Right? He's like, man, if the chickens get thirsty down here, I'm looking to T some P on my S. I wonder where he S'd. Did he S up here? Or did he S up here? I don't know. Right? I don't know. I would love to have Daniel from Chart Champions on my channel one day. Give him a nice little interview. I don't think he'll talk to me. Tried to talk to him. If anyone's friends with him, tell him to accept my friend request on Discord. I don't know, Red Panty Knight. It's I like that YouTube name. Yeah, that's one of the things that, like, I'm not sure. You know, I'm just not sure. Shout out to Crypto R. Yeah, so long-term shorts, guys, things look super, super bearish. Short-term, I mean, this is still a scalping range right here. This is still a scalping range. Right? Still a scalping range. see how our 24 minutes looking here. You know, we need to get a move up. We need to get a move up soon if we want that div to confirm here. Did Klaus Schwab shut my heat? Yeah, something like that. Something like that. Something like that. He's short from 17.2. Oh, okay. When did he short 17.2? Oh, I guess on this wick. Well, that's good to know. I'm also in a short from somewhere. He's going to TP1 all the way down there. Wow. But I know that he likes to hold those shorts. Yeah, that Wednesday stream with Boyne is going to be a good one, guys. It's going to be a good one. Shout out to Lepton Flow. That's true. I'll put a mining rig in the basement. It'll make things toasty. Toasty. Yeah, let's check out the dollar. First of all, let's check out SPX. SPX, guys, we know has come up to a key area of resistance here, which is the golden pocket. And this is a very key level for SPX. Let's check out the dollar. Dollar came down to a weekly level. And it's been pumping since, guys. And we've just broken out, officially changing now market structure here. Putting in a higher high. Money flow curving up on the 4-hour. Bullish div on the 4-hour. Right, we got some nice uneven butt cheeks, aka uneven SBF boobies. Yeah. Alright, guys, we're about to pop. Corey Griffin, we're about to pop. We got hidden bull divs on the 1 second. Let's do it. One second. He must have been talking about this right here, and he's right. We popped, man. We totally popped on that one. Let's see if we can scalp the 1 second time frame here. Volume's too low. The volume is too low here. Well, we could probably scalp the 15 second or the 10 second. This is our range right here. Oh, dang, the Korean guy who wins the Bybit competitions? Yeah, I don't know Korean either, unfortunately. Yeah, shout out to Chris M. Brock. Yeah, use the DXY. Do the opposite for Bitcoin, what DXY does. Does anybody know what music is in the background? I know. It is called Chill Music Labs Calm Focus Mix. Calm Focus Mix. Chill Music Lab. Shout out to Kevin McAloon. Shout out to Tupaj123. Love you, bro. Shout out to Corey Griffin. Guys, we've been chilling here for a while. I'm going to head out, do some stuff before going live with Tom Crown. Thank you guys so much for being here. God bless you all. In the name of Jesus the Messiah, I pray everyone is super blessed. Guys, receive this blessing in Hebrew. And the purpose of this blessing is that the Creator God would place His name upon you and bless you. And it goes like this in Hebrew: Yavarechacha Adonai v'yishmerecha, Ya'er Adonai panav elecha v'chuneka, Yisa Adonai panav elecha v'yasem lecha shalom. B'shem Yeshua HaMashiach Elohei Yisrael, which in English means, may the Lord bless you and protect you. May He shine light upon you. May He have grace upon you. And may the Lord turn His face toward you and give you peace in the name of Jesus, the Messiah, the God of Israel. Amen. Brian Miller, why am I pissed? Because my stream got cut off. I did 2 streams and they got chopped. Well, on that note, guys, God bless, and I'll see you all in the next